If I had my wishes, I would let these guys roam free on the property. Wow. It's heavy. If God cares about a little creature like this, imagine how much more precious we are to him. Uh-oh, looks like the dogs found something. That looks like Frankie. Oh man, I don't want to deal with that today. Yes, Timmy. You know who that is. Yep, it's Frankie. Now, if I had my wishes, I would let these guys roam free on the property. Unfortunately, as we've learned time and time again, if they can see out, they're going to try to get out. And our entire property is lined with see-through fencing. So that's just not even a possibility at this point. I can't put her in with the big boys because we don't want babies. And yeah, I just wish I could figure out how she's getting through, because she's supposed to be in the front yard and we're all the way on the back of the property, and there's fencing and Timmy, stop. And you know, other stuff to block her way. So she's definitely nothing if not determined. All right, Frankie, let's get you back where you belong. Daryl had filled the wagon with hay this morning for the goats, so she's got like a nice little bed in here. Perfect for her. Well, looks like Frankie paved the way for a couple others. Here is Ian, right here. Come on, boy. Oh, it's hard. You're getting big. I can't pick you up with one hand anymore. And then back down there is Pearl. Morla is the only one who stayed put this time. I tell you, I'm getting really tired of this. We're spending a lot of money on fencing, trying to keep these animals contained. I know once we get it done, it'll be done. But it's really, really annoying. Frankie, don't you get any ideas. I'll get you out of there in a second. So there's 3 of the babies in with Ralph right now. Look at, there's Ralph's mini-me back there. Two of his boys. No, you're not gonna get anything from Daddy, that's for sure. But he's good. He's not worried about them, not trying to hurt them. I think they're big enough now that they can't get through the fence here, so I'm not overly concerned about them being over there. They know how to get back. There's a spot between the layers of the pallet on the door that goes into the little house there. That's how they're getting through. They've got their own little secret passageway back and forth between Mom's house and Dad's house. It's usually pretty easy to figure out where Frankie has gone, or at least the route that she took to get there. She seems to have a leg that she drags. I'm not sure why that is, but it leaves a pretty distinctive track in the sand. You can see that. And then it just kind of wanders off, but there's another little trail right here. So yeah, we found her. She's hiding out in those bushes back there. I just put some food back there. She seems to be kind of, I don't know, hunkered down for the night already, but keeping cool in there anyway, so hopefully she'll come out and eat. Otherwise, I guess the rabbits will have a nice feast tonight. Does anyone else lay outside on the ground with their goats and pigs? Just me? Okay. So I got the brush out and I've been brushing the goats a little bit to try to get some of that undercoat off. And so Valor and Faith and Joy seem to be the worst. Joy, oh, hello Snickerdoodle. Joy is absolutely loving being brushed. And this is what we're getting from him. All of this. So in my last video, I mentioned that it was cashmere. I guess real cashmere only comes from a specific type of cashmere goat. The Nigerians' undercoat is called wool, and they do use it to make cashmere though. So yeah, they are loving getting brushed. Oh goodness.
That's Snickerdoodle. For a second until Valor wanted it.
Spoiled brat. I think this is an old horse brush, isn't it?
Yeah.
My uncle used to have horses a long time ago, and he gave us a box of his stuff. So we don't have horses, but some of it can be used for the goats.
There's that metal one, but I don't think these are for the goats.
Yeah, no, they need something more like this. Hi, Oreo. You need it too? Yeah, you've got some spots too. What? What? Ah. You can really see it on the black. See, it's because it's lighter colored. You can't see it on the white fur. Hi, baby. Oh, you're back. And you. All right, we gotta go pick up some food, some leftover produce for these guys. So we're gonna go do that. So welcome back to the garden. We haven't been here in a little while. We've been struggling with it a bit, but we've got some good things going, and we've been putting a lot of work into it. So I'm not going to give you the full tour right now, but I am going to just show you this one bed that I can't believe it. It's just crazy. So this bed right here is one of those ones that we let go and didn't really pay much attention to, and all of a sudden stuff started popping up. This tomato plant right here is growing like crazy, and it's got a lot of little I think this is a Roma tomato plant. There's at least 7 of them on there that I can see from here. This is an Armenian cucumber that just this past couple of days has gotten to be from just barely, you know, over the edge here all the way up, and it's climbing, and it's got flowers. So I can't wait to have some of those cucumbers. Now back here, these are onions that I did plant a while back. Oh, there's something else that I have no idea what that is. But here's the most interesting thing. We were trying so hard with our beets over in the other bed, and they did not work. But look at this. This one we just ignored, didn't pay any attention to, didn't even know it was here. And here we are. That's got to be a good 3 inches in diameter. So I think we're going to pull it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, see the size.
Wow. It's heavy. The dirt off of it. See, look at this. What's this down here?
That looks like a pea.
I've never seen a pea look like that.
Oh, maybe it's a cucumber.
I've never seen a cucumber look like that either.
Oh, it's a mystery.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to Google Lens it and see if it comes up with anything.
And there's something here too.
That looks like another tomato. This is quite the beet for something we didn't even try for. Well, Daryl, what are you going to do with it?
I'm going to try to pickle it.
Pickle it? Too bad this is the only one.
Yeah. Maybe get 3-4 slices out of it.
Yep. Tortoises can eat the leaves.
I love pickled beets. Just wish we had more.
Well, we know next time. Daryl was just mentioning that there's always something here to film. Well, sure enough, there is. Usually something one of the dogs is getting into. Look what Maggie found. Cute little baby. Cute little baby. Probably just learning to fly. I think he's okay. Just a bit stunned, probably. So little I can't get him on the screen very well. So cute.
Yeah, it looks like a sparrow or a thresher. Look at the beak.
More of a sparrow, yeah. Which, of course, reminds me of this song, His Eyes on the Sparrow. So, if God cares about a little creature like this, imagine how much more precious we are to Him. His eye is on the sparrow, so I know He cares for me. Well, the wait is over. We're about to do the drawing for the question I asked a couple of weeks ago. Why do pigs roll in the mud? So, let's see who our winner is. All right, Linda and Pat. Here we go. Pat, congratulations, you are our winner. You have won your choice between a set of encouragement greeting cards or coasters, both featuring pictures of our adorable baby goats. Just put a note in the comments which one you want and send an email to me at howardhomesteadaj@gmail.com with your address, and I will get those right out to you. If anyone else is interested, I do have a few of these items available for purchase. Just send me an email and I'll get a set out to you. Well, thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.